Zenith 3 CNC CMM is a result of a design evolution of the award-winning Zenith 2 range of machines. Taking into account over 20 years of CMM design experience, many of the design improvements revolve around the right leg of the machine, which has been modelled on the hugely successful azimuth machine. Greater air bearing separation results in greater stiffness, and so has improved the accuracy significantly. The first term error for this new model is more than a micron better than the Zenith 2, and all of this comes with no cost penalty. The Zenith 3 CMM will continue to be sold at the same hugely competitive price that its predecessor was famed for, making large-scale CMM measurements not only simple but affordable. The Zenith 3 CNC CMM is supplied with the revolutionary Aberlink 3D measurement software. Designed around a graphical interface, Aberlink 3D can work in 2D or 3D on manual or CNC CMMs, and is equally at home when used with either touch, scanning, or vision systems. Aberlink's revolutionary measurement software provides the user with a powerful yet easy-to-use solution for inspection measurements. The Zenith 3 range is the best value for money for the measuring volume of any CMM available on the market, the perfect affordable metrology solution for big and heavy parts.